Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I have my sister with me and today I'm going to be making her up. She won a frame for her bedroom and I'm going to be creating a head shoot for her, and then we are going to be making up a face for this photo shoot. On a clean face, normally I like to start up with a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer because it helps control shine and smoothing pores on the face. Immediately when I'm done with that, I apply my favorite foundation in shade 470. I like to use it as a base to cover up every blemishes on the face. And I make use of a soft blender to blend it out properly. Once it's done, on top of it, I apply another shade of foundation in shade 440. I like to do this because it gives it a maximum coverage and it makes it smoothing and it blends out with the skin tone. To blend in a foundation, I like to use the Fenty Beauty Full Bodied Foundation Brush 1110. It's easy to handle and it blends out the foundation very well. For the brows, I use a brush brows to brushing out the hair because it helps the hair lay out flat and easy to draw out the brows. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade Chocolate to fill in her brows, and I'm also using the KVD Brow Brush 70. I went in with some brows concealer and I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Then I use a flat brush to blending it out. And I continue using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight her forehead, which is the T section, under her eyes and every part of her face that needs to be highlighted, brightening and enhancing her beauty. Right now I'm going in to contour her forehead, her nose and other parts that need to be contoured. I like to do this separately because I hate having a lot of marks on my face and at the end I end up mixing up the buffing. I prefer to do this after the highlighting because it's much easier for me and I'm less distracted. To set in my concealer, I like to use two of my favorite setting powder. First of all, I use the Huda Beauty Cinnamon Bond Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I put it on the forehead, under the eyes and the chin. Then I allow it to stay for like 3 to 5 minutes and I buff it out. And after that, I move on to my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. This is an amazing powder. Actually, it sets properly, and I'm using the Deep Peach. For the nose, I like to give it a more defined look, so I like to use the MAC eyeshadow, which is a Shady Santa matte, and it gives it more defined look to the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to use the MAC Fix Studio in NW45. This is the same color like her skin, so it's just going to blend out the whole contouring, the highlighting before I put in the blush.
I mean, I just want in my phone and I made me feel sleepy. You go. That's why they massage my face, like make me feel sleepy so.
For her cheek, I'm using the MAC Never Say Never powder blush. And I'm also going to dump a little bit of the Shady Santa eyeshadow on this blush. I'm going in for the lips, and I like to use this matte smoother eye pencil because it gives it more densive and fuller lips. It's quite dark, it's got a little bit of green, but it's really beautiful if you want the full lips. After that, I'm going to also be applying the Retro Matte lipstick. It's called the Choco Tease, and this is also really good. This is one of my favorite lips. As we are going for a dark lips, I do not want so much dark, but I want something more teasing that is also good and fits with the skin color. So we are going for this Choco Tease because it's brownish and really choco.
Sound white, boy.
No, wait now. I did video did on the start. Relax. Almost as outside. I'm gonna put some oil in your hand. He's a fine, eh? Hey! I fine, well. Like, you want to have a bridal makeup, you want to go for a wedding, are you getting married? So you fix it where you think it's better. Just come to my sister. I don't want the oil to touch your face, eh? I want your face, your hand to remain dry. This is not be marriage. No, with this big earring. Marriage! So guys, this is one of my flowers I have at home. It's dusty. Sorry. We're going to use it for art, like part of the creativity. And I think of putting it this way. What do you guys think? This looks really nice. So we need to find somewhere to fix this. Right? Take some powder.
So here I just used the MAC Studio Fix NW45 for her skin to blend out her skin to match with her makeup, since we're going to be doing a headshot photograph, and this will be perfect if all her skin matches with the makeup.
It sound right, boys.
Be moving left, right. Stop. Don't hold it. Bye. This. It's not fine. You're spoiling your makeup. Put your hand in your mouth. Style like before. Good. Yeah, turn left and right. Turn this side. Stop. No. Go back. That thing is for it. Yeah. Continue the other side. Stop. Yeah, come on, one. Yeah. Good. That finger there. That finger we did a good there. Don't remove it, sis. Go back. Your thing for her. Oh my God, see my face. No, I too fine. No, get, see, for real, I swear to God, nobody can contest with you. Where's my necklace? No, I look so sweet. Look at me. I am really shocked. Like, no, look at that. Yeah, see. Show them the back. Let them see. OMG. Show them the back. Let them see properly. No, see, it's my sister is a makeup artist. Trust me. Nobody contests. You don't. No way. No. So my sister is a big Mac. Like, you know, there is difference between talent and going to school to learn a particular thing. Talent is from above, but going to school is like someone is impacting, is making an input of their own knowledge into your head. But talent is what God has, like, you know. So no, guys, just take a look. Just take a look at my face, you know. Just take a look. It's you. Do you want to go for a wedding? Do you want to go for an occasion? She's crazy. She's enjoying herself. Lovely. I love my face. You know, it's so unfortunate that right now, when I leave here now, I'm going to kindergarten to pick my son. You know, like, this makeup is gonna waste. I'm not gonna clean this makeup, like, for real. No, I look beautiful. No, my sister is, I give her a big mark. This is lovely. This is fantastic. This is, I don't know, I feel like going to an occasion right now. I look beautiful. I look beautiful. Oh no, and I love this ring, you know. I think I just found out what I really love so
It's
much.
all about creativity, yeah? We just
look at my finger.
One or two things together.
I love my black.
Even the fingernails are pasted one, like.
Oh my God, that's true, because I can't even drive. Let me just.
Don't take them off now.
Of course, I need to take them off. I need to go. I need to go. I need to drive.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial with my sister. I'm glad she loved her makeup. And
guys, just wait for the editing. We don't even need any editing.
So
just
what are
wait
you
for
this picture.
I'm gonna put them on my page. Like, I'm gonna put them on my page. I'm gonna tell guys. I'm gonna tell my Facebook friends that I went for photo shooting. I'm gonna tell my Instagram friends I went for photo shooting. It's not. No, sometimes we should actually just say what we've just done, or what we're about to do, or what we have just done, you know. And today was all about photo shooting, and it's just, I've always looked forward to having a kind of picture like this. And oh my God, my sister is
everything for me.
Like, you know, guys,
you're gonna be making a frame with this then.
Definitely. Yes, guys. Just wait. You see this lady sitting down here? She is the bomb, you know, handcrafting, editing, just name it. Just name it. She does it all. She's gonna pimp my apartment. Ha!
You look really nice. Like, you look like a bridesmaid. You look like a model.
I look like everything.
Very nice. I'm glad.
I'm beautiful. I love my makeup. Anyway, guys, enjoy it. And if you stay in our region, you stay in Germany, you want an artist makeup, you want to go for an occasion, you want to go for a wedding, you're getting married, you're going for any party, come on. There's gonna be a link down there to contact her. She is everything. She is a pimper.
Oh, a pimper. What am I pimping? I'm pimping your face.
Pimp my face, pimp my apartment, pimp anything pimpable, she pimps.
Pimping as a
nice thing, you know,
nice
things
tutorial.
that blow your mind, you know. I'm just, oh my god, I love this. At least I found out things I really love, you know. Hey,
Yeah.
I wish this coronavirus would be over. Like, hey,
When you go out with this makeup,
let's
very
go, yeah.
nice.
And thanks for watching. And nevertheless, I am Chichi from Real Talk for Real. Thank you guys so much.
Okay, thank you all for watching.
And thank you, my sister.
I don't even talk anymore.
Bye, guys.